Now we have another topic is the Lunar Modular Launch Vehicle LMLV. Why new ISRO heaviest rocket LMLV will ready in 2035. Planned to the India first human mission to the moon by 2040. The feature of the LMLV design improve the version of the NGLV next generation launch vehicles purpose dedicated to the lunar mission including human space flights stages. Stage 1 and 2 are liquid propelled. Stage 3 is a cryogenic propelled. High efficiency for the deep space mission. Then we have another launch vehicles comparison between another launch vehicle. First is the PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. The generation of PSLV is third. The stages of PSLV is four stages, solid plus liquid. And the capability of the PSLV, Sun Synchronizes Orbit, LEO and GTO. Notable mission Chandrayaan first and Mars orbital mission. Then we have the GSLV, Geosynchronized Satellite Launch Vehicles. The generation of GSLV is fourth generation, stages three stages, capability 2-ton class of satellites into GTO, and notable mission is communication satellites. Then we have the LVM3 launch vehicle MK3 generation heavy lift stages 3 stage, 4-ton to the GTO, 10-ton to the LEO. Purpose for the purpose for the Bharatiya Antariksh Station Gaganyaan human rated L110 Vikas engine delivered by the Godrej. Then we have the SSLV small satellite launch vehicles compact. Three stages, all are solid stages. Capability mini, micro, nano satellites and notable missions quick, low cost launch vehicles. The related news the PSLV C61 and EOS-09 missions. ISRO's 63rd PSLV missions failed due to the technical malfunction on the third stage. PSLV has failed only twice since the first flight. EOS-09 satellite, Advanced Earth Observation Satellite with a C-band SAR technology. Objectives provide the continuous, reliable remote sensing data for the multiple sectors. Quick mnemonics and quick recalls. PSLV for mapping and exploration, for example, Chandrayaan and mission on moon. GSLV communication satellite. LBM3 heavy lift and human space flight. SSLV for small satellites and LMV for future lunar human mission. The strategic significance of LMLV position of India human lunar exploration by 2040 and enhance the deep space launch capability, complement Gaganyaan and Bharatiya Antariksh Station roadmap, strengthen India's role in global space exploration race. Then we have another topic is the satellite internet service. Why news? Starlink, Elon Musk owned SpaceX company, signed an agreement with the Maharashtra government to deliver satellite-based connectivity to remote and underserved regions. About the satellite internet, satellite band broadbands. Definition of the satellite broadband are the wireless internet connected provided via the communication satellite orbiting Earth. Different form of the land-based internet does not rely on the fiber, cable or DSL wires. Infrastructure segment, space segment, cancellation of the communication satellite, ground segment. Satellite measurement and control network gateway station use the terminals. Latency higher than the wired connections due to the longer signal travel distance, Earth satellite Earth. Prominent global satellite internet project, the project Kuiper, owned by the Amazons, planted LEO cancellation for the global bandwidth. Then we have the Starlink operated by the SpaceX, Elon Musk, large operable LEO constellations expanding rapidly. Then the OneWeb operated by the Utrecht in France, world second largest satellite cancellations fleet after the SpaceX. Then Queen Fan cancellations by the China planned LEO and mega cancellation for the satellite internet. Then the strategic significance, digital inclusions, connect remote rural and underserved areas, disaster resilience, work even when the terrestrial infrastructure is damaged, national security, independent communication, backbone of in the emergency, economic growth, enable e-governance, education, healthcare, and commerce in the remote regions. Quick recalls and mnemonics. Starlink signed satellite serve Kuiper OnWebs and QueenFan. Starlink signed by Maharashtra Agreement. Satellites serve wireless internet and backbone. Kuiper, OneWeb, and QueenFan major global project. Then Kuiper project Kuiper by the Amazons, Starlink by the SpaceX, OneWeb by the Astrolates, and QFan by the China. Then we have another topic is the solar flares. NASA satellite detected a massive solar flares in the superheated plasma erupting in the dramatic wing-like shape. Chandrayaan 2 lunar orbital Chase 2 made the first ever observation in the effect of the coronal mass ejection CME on the moon. What is the solar flares? Giant explosion of the suns release energy, light and high speed particle into the space. Association often linked with the solar magnetic storms, coronal mass ejections. Classification X class is the largest, most powerful, then the M class medium intensity, then the C class small, and B and A class very small near the background levels. Frequency more common during the solar maximum peak 11-year solar cycles. Sun magnetic poles flip every 11 years, increase the eruptions. Radiation emitted across the electromagnetic spectrum, X-ray, gamma ray, and UV ultravisible light radio waves. Then we have another topic is the coronal mass ejection CME. The CME is a large explosion of the plasma and magnetic field from the sun corona. Scales can eject a billion of tons coronal materials. Speed fastest earth directed CMS is 15 to 18 hours. Slower CME is several day. Impact can disrupt satellite communication system, power grid, and space mission. Then the sun activity cycles duration is 11 years. Solar maximum frequent solar storms increase the sun stops, cooler region on the sun surface, complex twisted magnetic field, more eruptions. Then we have another topic is a space debris. Wide news. Starlink lost 573 satellites in 2022-24 during the peak of the solar cycles, raising concern about the atmospheric pollution and space debris. What are the space debris? A non-functional man-made object including the fragments in the Earth orbit or the re-entering into the atmosphere. Key source of the debris: on-orbit breakups, explosion, structural failures. On-orbit collisions, satellite or satellite debris. Potential consequences: damage in the satellites, disruption in the communication and navigation system, threat to the astronaut safety, risk for the Kailash syndrome, cascading collision making a certain orbit unsoluble. Initiative to tackle the space debris in the global level. Interagency Debris Coordination Committee IADC established in 1993 for the international cooperation. Then the Zero Debris Charters signed by the 12 countries Austria, Belgium, Cyprus, etc. to minimize debris corrections. The initiative taken by the India Debris Free Space Mission DFSM in 2030 target for the sustainable missions. ISRO system for the safe and sustainable operation management IS4OM real monitoring and risk mitigations. Project Netra network for the space object tracking and analysis. Tracking and analysis space object to prevent collision. Strategic significance, safety, protect astronauts and satellites from collisions. Sustainability, ensure long-term usability of the orbits. National security, prevent disruptions of the navigation, communication and defense satellites. Global cooperation, share responsibility across the nations. Quick recalls and mnemonics, break plus collision is the source of the debris. IADC plus the charter, global initiatives, DFSM, IS4OM plus Netra are the Indian response regarding the global debris. Then we have another topic is the brown dwarfs. Rare quadrupole star system UPM J10403511 Abrob in the Milky Way. Definition of the brown dwarf: celestial body formed like a star, collapsing gas and dust, but lacks sufficient mass to sustain hydrogen fusion. Is also called as the field star. Atmosphere: similar like the gas giant, for example in the Jupiter. Difference from the planet: it has a higher mass, pressure of the deuterium fusion, heavy hydrogen unlike the planets. Then we have another topic is the super Earth. New super Earth TO 1846 via NASA test definition. Explained larger than the Earth but smaller than the Neptune. The size of the mass up to 2 times the size of the Earth, up to 10 times the Earth mass. Nature. Not necessarily like Earth. Composition unclear. Variants. Larger one termed subneutrons and mini neptrons. Then we have another topic is the extreme nuclear transitions. ENTS, new category of the cosmic event. Stars greater than and equal to the 3 times of the sun mass torn apart is the supermassive black holes. The process never event horizons. Extreme tidal forces stretch a star into the Sabgati like shape. Release enormous electromagnetic energy. Then we have another topic, the James Webb Space Telescopes discovery. By signature on the exoplanet K2-18b, launched by the NASA, ESA, and Canadian Space Agency. Types: orbiting infrared objectivity, orbits Sun, similar to the 1.5 million kilometer to the Earth at L2, single second Lagrange point. Purpose: study of the universe history from the Big Bang globes to the solar system formation. Then we have another topic is the Sunbird rockets. Sunbird rockets. Pulsar fusions by the UK and the Princeton satellite system by the USA. Technology: dual direction fusion drives, fuel helium plus deuterium, generates thrust plus electricity. Capability could reach Pluto in 4 years. Revolutionary interplanetary travels. Then we have topic is 3I Atlas by NASA, founded the Atlas telescope in Chile. Active interstellar comets, hyperbolic, does not follow the close orbit around the sun. Then the Kodaikanal Sonar Observatory, established in the 1899, Palani Hills in Tamil Nadu, operated by the Indian Institute of Astrophysics, known as the discovery of the Evershade effect, horizontal outflow of the gas in the sunspot penumbra. Recent use. Aries researchers reconstruct sun past polar magnetic behavior using the century old data. Then we have another topic is the Vikram 1 launch vehicles. Developers. Skyroot Aerospace, Hyderabad based the private setup. Purpose: launch a satellite into LEO and SSO, serving the small satellites and ride shares missions. Purpose: 4 stage rockets. First 3 stages are the solid fuel boosters, then the final stage is liquid propelled. The Raman engines of the practice orbital in sections. Structure: all carbon fiber body, 3D printed engines, lightweight and efficient design. Then we have another topic in the science and tech. The topic is the disease and it's related to development. Then first disease is the tuberculosis. Why news? WHO Global TB Report 2025. India TB incidence reduced by the 21%. About the TB, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It is a airborne contagious type by the site. Pulmonary TB in the lungs, contagions via the droplet. Then the extrapulmonary TB, lymph nodes, bones, brain, kidney, and pleura. Then the spinal TB, Pott's disease, also known as spinal TB, Pott's disease, affect the spine, cause severe pains and mobility issue. Then types by the drug response, drug sensitive TB, response by the first line drugs, ionized and rifampicin. Drug resistance TB, MDR TB, resistance on the rifampicins and ionized. Then the XDR TB, resistance even the stronger medicine. Then we have the HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. Why news? US FDA approved the lenacapavir for the HIV prevention. The lenacapavir, a antiretroviral medicine used for the PrEP, pre-exposure prophylaxis. Reduce the risk of the HIV infections, HIV negative but at a risk individuals. About the HIV mechanism, infect and destroy the CD4 T lymphocytes, weakness immunity, transmission through the blood, semen, vaginal fluids, breast milk, and mother to child. Treatment: ART, antiretroviral therapy, prevent the progression to AIDS. Then we have a trichoma. India eliminated the trichoma as a public health problem by the WHO certified. India is the third Southeast Asian country after the Nepal and Myanmar. Cause chlamydia trachomatis. Impact irreversible blindness and spread personal contact and flies initiative integrated by the NPCBI National Program for the Control of Blindness and Visual Impairment. Then we have another topic is hepatitis. WHO classified hepatitis D as a cancer causing, like the hepatitis B and C. Hepatitis D required HBV, HBV for the replications. Type A to E, B, C, and D are the chronic infections, cirrhosis, liver failure, and cancers. Vaccines. No vaccine for the hepatitis C. Hepatitis B vaccines protect against the HDV. Heavy yours. India first indigenous hepatitis A vaccines. Then we have Mpox. Mpox means the monkeypox. WHO declared Mpox outbreak in Africa no longer is a global health emergency caused by the monkeypox virus. Transmission: close contact with the infected peoples, animals, and contaminated object. Symptoms: fever, headache, muscle ache, fatigue, swollen lymph node. Global concern: earlier declared PHEIC. Treatment: no prevent cure. Diagnosis: RT-PCR. Then we have another topic is the human papillomavirus HPV. India validated first indigenous HPV test kits for the cervical cancer screening. Nature: common sexually transmitted infections. Outcomes: usually clear by the immune system, persistent infected abnormal cells, cancer. Then the quick recalls of all the topics: TB caused by the microbacterium tuberculosis, transmissions airborne and droplets, impact lung and the spine damage. Recent development: India TB incident reduced by the 21%. Then we have the HIV caused by the HIV virus, transmission body fluids, impact AIDS if the untreated, FDA approval by the lenacapavir. Then we have a trichoma, then the chlamydia and trichomonas, contact and flies, impact is blindness, India eliminated trichoma. Then we have hepatitis D caused by the HDP, need HBP, transmission through the blood, body fluids. Impact liver cancer risk, WHO classified HDP cancer causing. Then we have a monkeypox, Mpox, caused by the monkeypox virus, transmission through the contact and animals, impact in the fever, lymph and swellings. Recent development: WHO lifted global emergency. HPV, the human papillomavirus, transmission due to the sexual contact, impact is the cervical cancers. India first HPV test kit validated. Then we have another topic is the Nobel Prize in the Physiology and Medicines. Awarded Mary E. Brownco and Fred Ramsdell and the Simon Sakaguchi for their discovery concerning the peripheral immune tolerance. What is the immune system balance? Function: protect against the pathogens, virus, bacteria, and fungi. Challenges: most avoid attacking on body cells, require a immune tolerance. Types of the tolerance: control tolerance occurs in the THIAMP during the T cell trainings, removed by the cell where retrieved T cells. Some escapes into the circulation periphery. Then we have a peripheral tolerance. Additional safeguards in the body tissue, regulatory T cells, track cells, stop escaping self-reactive T cells from attacking on tissue. Act like the security guards, maintaining the immune balance. Role of the FOXP3 genes. Discovery by the Mary Brucco and Fred Ramsdell. Function: control the development of function of the track cells. Mutation: FOXP3 malfunctions, improper track formations, IPAX syndrome, rare and autoimmune disease where the immune system attacked body by the own tissue. Significance of the discovery: medical science, explain how body prevent autoimmunity. Then clinical impact: FOXP3 mutation linked to the autoimmune disease IPEX. Therapeutic potentials, basis of the new treatment in the autoimmunity, transplantation, cancer immunity. Global recognition, Nobel Prize highlight the importance of the immune tolerance research. Quick recalls, Bronco, Ramsdell, FOXP3 and Sukuchi tracks, novel for the immune balance. FOXP3 is a gene discover, track, regulatory T cells, immune balance, prevent automatically. Then we have another topic is the microbial resistance, AMR. Why news? WHO Global Antibiotic Resistance Surveillance Report released 2025. AMR highlighted the top 10 global health threats to describe the silent pandemics. What is the AMR? Antimicrobial resistance. Occurs when the bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites evolve in the withstand drugs designed to kill them. Natural process happens via genetic change in the pathogens over a time. Acceleration factors and anthropogenics. Overuse, misuse of the antibiotic in the humans and animals. Poor infection control in the healthcare settings. Lack of sanitation and clean waters. Agriculture overuse. Antibiotic in the livestock. The superbugs strain resistance to the most antibacterials causes serious challenge to treatment, higher mortality, prolonged illness, and increased healthcare costs. Spread of the resistance, verbal gene transfer during the bacterial division, parents or to the offsprings. Horizontal gene transfer, exchange of the resistance gene among the microbes, plasmids, transcriptions, and bacterial pathogens. Strategic significance, public health make common infection harder to treat, increase the risk of epidemics. Then economy, higher healthcare costs, longer hospital stay, global security, threaten progress in the modern medical, surgery, cancer therapy, and transplant. WHO recognition listed among the top 10 global health threats. Then we have another topic is a fixed dose combination drugs. Why news? CDSCO directed all state and UT union territory to stop manufacturing, sale, and distribution of 35 unapproved FDXC drugs, fixed dose combination drugs. The product contain one or more active ingredient used in a particular indications. Active ingredients, biologically active component producing intended effect. Consider new drugs under the NDCT rules 2019. If combined two or more drugs already approved individually in a fixed ratio. Alter ratio of the drugs is already approved FDC with change to claim. Why FDC drugs are preferred? Better therapeutic outcomes, synergetic effect when the rationally selected, improved patient compliances, reduce the pill burdens, reduce cost of therapy, cheaper than the buying multiple individual drugs. Regulation of the pharma product in India. Drugs and the Cosmetic Act 1940 and rules of 1945 govern import, manufacture, distribution, sale. CDSCO, Central Drug Standard Control Organizations. National Regulatory Authority, approved drug conduct clinical trials, set standard, monitor imported drug quality. Then the State Drug Regulatory Authority, issue license, conduct inspection, ensure compliances. Then the NPPA, National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority, enforce drug prices control order. Goods and manufacturing practices, GMP, prescribed under the Schedule M, aligned with the WHO guidelines. Related news, Stay Earth initiatives, launched by the Union Health Ministry, proposed by the CDSCO, aim the benchmark and strengthen state drug regulatory system, ensure the drug safety standards are consistently met across the India. Strategic significance, public health, prevent irrational unapproved drug combinations, patient safety, reduce risk of the adverse drug infections, reduce strengthening economic impact.